take a look at this expression here and take a look at most of our options for what it might be equal to. Notice how there's no square roots on the bottom of those things? That's a clue that we want to get rid of the square root that's on the bottom of this expression. The question is, how do we do that? And rather than talk about all the different ways some of these things are sneaky distractors, let's just go about finding the right answer. I want to get rid of the square root on the bottom. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to multiply it by something. Now, how do we get rid of square roots? Multiply them by themselves. So if you multiply the denominator times square root of a minus d, that's going to turn it into just a regular a minus d with no square root. But you can't just multiply the denominator by something. You have to multiply the numerator also by the exact same thing. Okay, this way we're multiplying this fraction that I'm circling right here. We're multiplying it by the value 1, which isn't going to change it at all. Okay, so let's go through this and do the problem. We're going to get the following. Square root of a plus d times the square root of a minus d over a minus d. Simplify it some more, and we get one big old square root with a plus d and a minus d. And on the bottom, we still have that a minus d. Now, you should recognize a plus d, a minus d. This part in here, there's a difference of squares in there. So you could simplify this into the following. A squared minus d squared. Okay, all over a minus d. And that is our answer. Whoops, not there. No, not that one. Where is it? Right here. Okay, depending on which version of this problem you're looking at, and there's several, you're going to have to go through some procedure similar to this involving a difference of squares and knowing how to take care of radicals on the bottom so they are what we call rationalized.